What is up, man? Welcome back ulit dito sa self-proclaimed na pinakamalupit na men's personal development channel sa balat ng Pilipinas. Today, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit ba nag-fail ang first dates at hindi na nasusundan ng second dates. Konting spoilers lang, this is not because of the girl, not because of your money and looks, but because of your energy. Let's talk about how your best masculine version can lead the entire date from start to finish. At hindi lang basta yon, we will make sure she will feel safe, feminine, and drawn more into you. All of this without spending more than 1,000 pesos sa every dates nyo. So, kung ikaw ay nag-ghost na after ng date at sinabi niyang, alam mo, mabait ka naman eh, pero wala akong nararamdaman spark. Then para sa'yo tong video na to, let's dive in. So here's what 90% of guys do. I-message nila yung girl, hey, saan mo gusto kumain? Ano bang trip mong gawin? What do you want to do? While it sounds respectful, nice, and you care about her at kung ano yung gusto niya, maniwala ka man o sa hindi, ito yung number one reason kung bakit hindi ka niya nagugustuhan. It instantly kills attraction. Kasi when you act like the nice guy na who cannot lead, walang sariling desisyon, will do anything to get her validation, you will lose the masculine polarity. Now, kung hindi niya nararamdaman yung masculine energy mo, mapipuwersa siya to be in her masculine. Kung nasa masculine siya, she now feels like she needs to lead you. At sa panahon ngayon, kahit nung sinaunang panahon pa, women don't want to lead. They are just forced to be in their masculine. Kaya maraming independent women kuno ngayon kasi they can't find a man who is masculine enough to lead them. Because in reality, they are craving for a man that she feels safe around para makarelax siya into her feminine. Ayaw nilang mag-isip because women in default are emotional creatures and men are the logical ones. Women just want to feel, to relax, to have fun. At magagawa lang nila yon if they trust someone to be their masculine container. So himanin pa natin to ng mas maigi. Wala siyang pake kung saan man kayo magpunta. She doesn't care kung ano man ang kainin nyo and she doesn't even care kung coffee date lang yan sa 7-Eleven. What she cares about is how you lead her into the experience, how confident and grounded you are in your energy, and if she feels like a feminine woman in your presence. By the way, kung nakuha mo yung insight na yon at oo nga no, like this video right now and subscribe to this channel. Nag-upload ako ng walang kabayas-bayas na advice weekly to help you lead, attract, and be your masculine version. Dahil ako din mismo, gusto ko din ma-achieve yung version na yan. At gusto ko itang kasabay. Okay, tuloy-tuloy tayo. So here's what I want you to do sa next date mo. Number 1, pick a spot you already enjoy or familiar with. Di mo muna kailangan malaman kung saan ba niya gusto. As much as possible, wait for her to object before mo kunin yung opinion niya. Number 2, pick a time that fits your schedule. Never compromise your important schedule or your priorities para lang makita siya. Number 3, set the tone and take the lead before pa kayo magkita. So, pwede mo tong i-text sa kanya, hey, let's meet 6 p.m. sa 7-Eleven. Chill lang tayo, wear something white and cute. Now, that simple message already does 3 things for you. You lead, you remove pressure, and you give her structure. With this one, mas makaka-relax siya sa feminine energy niya. Simple lang naman kasi gusto ng mga babae. They just want to show up cute, magpaganda, relax, have fun, at landiin ka. And for sure, yun din naman yung gusto mong energy ng babae sa'yo. Now, pag-usapan naman natin yung vibe and energy mo during your dates. So don't go into your dates trying to impress her. Don't act like she's your dream girl o para siyang Diyosa sa paningin mo. Instead, act like you're the man she's lucky to be around with. And siya dapat yung nahihiya sa'yo at hindi ikaw. Di ba kayo nagtataka sa lahat ng movies o libro na ginawa para sa mga babae, 50 Shades of Grey, lahat ng movies ni John Lloyd, palaging leader yung lalaki. Pwedeng CEO, architect, businessman, basta career-driven yung guy. And yung babae, secretary o JT, fresh grad, somewhat na medyo below sa current social status ng lalaki. Now, hindi ko sinabing maging CEO or architect ka muna. What I'm trying to say is be a leader sa interaction nyo. That's enough because that's their greatest fantasy, to be led by a guy. Tumalsik pa yung laway ko. Again, that's their greatest fantasy, to be led by a guy. And most importantly, huwag kayong gagastos ng sobra-sobra sa date. For me, sapat na yung 500 to 1,000 lang. Mataas na nga masyado yung 1K para sa first date eh. Actually, kahit 300 nga lang, pwede na. Kape sa 7-Eleven, tsaka tusok-tusok, laban na yun, men. Kasi again, she doesn't care kung saan kayo pumunta, kung saan kayo kumain, kung may kotse ka ba o wala. She only cares about the man itself. Iniisip niya how this guy makes me feel. So, quick recap tayo. Don't let her decide everything. Don't overinvest o huwag kayong gagastos ng malaki. Don't try to impress her or get her validation. Instead, lead the date, keep it fun, at huwag kang masyadong gagastos. Treat yourself as the prize. And always remember, lagi nyo itong tatandaan man, you are the product. And this is how you market yourself. Kung ang product mismo ay bulok, kung ikaw mismo hindi mo kayang ma-lead yung sarili mo, then how can you lead her? So, kung nakakuha ka ng maraming aha moments sa video na to, make sure to like this video, subscribe ka na rin sa channel ko. And if you want free dating guides, tips, and access to our private community of men who are achieving their best masculine version, check mo lang yung caption below whether you want to build confidence, attract your ideal woman, or achieve your best masculine version. Meron akong free resources, paid guides, exclusive community, and one-on-one program kung willing ka to invest. So yun lang, I'll see you on the next video. Let's go!